Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day. We finally got the Cobra up on the jacks. We're gonna get the clutch tackled in, and Dylan hooked us up with some fans. Dylan was pretty excited. I think Dylan's underneath here. What up, boy?
Got the fans on!
He got the fans on! Yes, sir. Yeah, we got everything nice and cool underneath there. Got the flywheel, got the clutch, I got all the other little bits and pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and tackle this thing. She's really dirty from it's been raining non-stop, so I'll clean her up when we get done and everything, but yep, he's ready.
Yes.
Fans on!
Got the fans on!
Got it. I got it. That was scary.
There, just go ahead and put it down next to your head.
Yeah, put the teeth right on your forehead. Well, for sure. Well, no, it could be the pan, right?
Hey, look. There's some pressure plate up there. Behind the flywheel.
Oh my God. Dude, what? Well, if you guys don't remember if you guys didn't see the first video, I should say, when me and Dill took this apart, the clutch exploded on me. We were taking it to a car meet. Long story short, the clutch was improperly installed and it exploded. And this was some of the material that we took off when we took the dust cover off. This was part of the clutch, and this was just underneath. Point the camera, buddy, and the light was just on top, sitting up here, right behind this rear main seal cover. Absolutely insane. Look, there's debris.
Yeah, there's clutch up there. Behind the pressure plate. Or the flywheel.
Look, dude. Oh my God. There's more. There's more. Alright. Wish I had the vacuum. Alright, let's get this. Alright guys, so we just got the flywheel taken off, and this is actually a Ford flywheel. There's the Ford stamp right there. So I have no idea. I would hope this would be a replacement new one, but no, you know, who knows? Here's the you know, the part number, I guess, if you need it. Pretty cool though. If it's the original one, that's absolutely insane. I don't understand how it could be, but I mean, that's pretty cool that it's a replacement piece if it was. But there's some hot spots on here, you know, just a hunch. But it's all right. Now we're gonna do the rear main seal and pilot bearing. Come on. All right, guys. Now I'm about to take the rear main seal off.
Got it. Get this bitch off.
Yeah, that's oh, that looks a little chewed up a little bit. Nah, it ain't chewed up, but it's definitely worn. Case is off. Yeah. Say the rear main was probably the one that was leaking. So, all right, guys, we've been cleaning off everything, and Dale said he found that there's an oil leak coming from the casing. It's right here.
Got a little tiny nick. You can feel it with your nail. Right there.
You think that was caused by the clutch, or was that beforehand?
Nah, that's beforehand. Something scraped it.
Something scraped it. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, I can feel that big time. Oh, that sucks. A little RTV wouldn't hurt.
Everything else looks good though.
Cool. All right, guys. Now we're about to put the rear main seal on. All right, let's put it in like that.
Yep.
All right.
Just give it a tap with the socket. Tap it with the other end of the socket. You don't want to hit the inside race of it, just the outside. So hold it, yeah, just like that. Give it a tap. We gotta make sure it's straight. Give it a couple taps, little baby taps. All right. Now let's make sure it's going in straight. You gotta hit it a little bit up top. Send her home. She looks good. Whenever it bottoms out, that's it.
I don't think so. I think it's got a little more in her.
No, it sounds like it's, yeah, it's installed.
All right, I'm gonna call it good. All right, guys. So we got me and Dill got the flywheel on. So now we're gonna put the pressure plate on. So what you gotta do is you gotta clean off the surface area because it's lubed from when you get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go one more time just to be safe. See how there's some debris on there? Alright, guess that's it. Alright guys, we got the clutch on. All we're doing now is snugging it up and then we're going to torque it down and then take that alignment tool out. And once we're done with that, then we're just going to put the trans back together, tighten everything up, starter and everything, exhaust, drive shaft, and put the trans fluid in probably tomorrow or something. We don't know yet, but yeah, things are going good. It took us a long time because one of the bolts was messed up on the flywheel. Dylan had to tap and die it, and it worked. So we finally got the pressure plate all the bolts in. So making some progress now, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Well, it's been a very long day after having to do a few things and do a lot of stops to get a couple of odds and ends and whatnot. But we got a lot more done than we expected. So we'll take this out. We were able to get the transmission up finally. Don't know if you guys can see that. We got the transmission up. So super excited, a lot of progress. All we gotta do is tighten up those two bolts up top and slap everything else together, put the trans fluid in, and start her up. So anyway guys, hope you guys like the content and stick around for part 3 when we finish her up and see if we did everything right. So like and subscribe if you're new, guys. Really appreciate it.